Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
So you all set to go trick-or-treating this weekend. It is going to be fairly spooky out there, I have to warn you. 19 minutes after the hour on this Friday. Your satellite and radar picture this morning, some leftover lake precipitation coming down across the area right now. Maybe some lake flakes in some spots on these higher hilltops down here to the south of the city. But this stuff is going to be cutting out as we get into the afternoon hours. Still going on, though, off Lake Huron. So this is probably going to last a little bit longer across the higher terrain south and east of the city into the early afternoon hours. And then it will diminish as we head for the evening hours. Lots of clouds out there right now, though. We'll be hard-pressed to see bright sunshine across the area. But there should be at least some sunny breaks developing, especially across the Niagara Frontier this afternoon. As we check it out, cloudy skies here for the morning commute between 8 and 9 o'clock, 40 degrees, 45 at lunchtime, cloudy skies, but maybe some breaks of sun working into the picture here during the afternoon for the trip home at about 48 at 5 p.m. Not too much of a warm-up going on today. Super Microcast has the scattered lake effect rain and snow showers coming down across the area, primarily across the higher terrain south and east of the city this morning. Notice how it starts to wind down here for the afternoon, though. Things looking a little bit better, and a pretty quiet night shaping up for tonight with partly to mostly cloudy skies as we work through this Friday night. Saturday, the wind picks up again. The temperatures increase, but unfortunately with the increasing wind, it offsets that warming, so it won't feel all that warm. And we'll be looking at partly sunny skies, maybe some late-day clouds heading our way, especially from Buffalo northward. Now, a weak cool front is going to clip the area early Sunday morning, and that could produce a few rain showers across the area, primarily Sunday morning. These should move out in time for the afternoon, and it looks to be primarily precip-free for the trick-or-treat hours late in the afternoon. 47 for a high at the Falls this afternoon, about 44 degrees at Batavia. Down the south, a little bit chillier in the higher terrain. Warsaw there at 43 degrees. You should at least edge up maybe into the low 40s down here, close to the Pennsylvania line, even though it's just 39 there at Olean and Wellsville, 41 at Jamestown, and about 44, tad higher than that maybe at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca this afternoon. Cloudy skies on the highways north and south of the metro this morning. After sunup, mostly cloudy skies on the Toronto-bound QEW, maybe a few breaks of sun in that direction. On the main line into Rochester, you're looking at clouds this morning, perhaps a few rain sprinkles on the Thruway West, and maybe a few scattered light rain or snow showers across sections of the I-86 this morning. Heading over to the temps, 43 degrees at Niagara Falls, down through Buffalo, 45 here at Dunkirk, 37 at Bradford, and also at Wellsville. Definitely a cooler start to the day, and this will be the coolest day of the week thus far, as advertised over the past couple days. As we check it out, your weather for today, breezy and cool out there for this Friday with lots of clouds around, and there will be a few rain and snow showers, primarily across the higher terrain, south and east of the city, with a high in the low 40s across the hills to about 48 in the city. Partly to mostly cloudy overnight, down to 29 to 37 degrees. Tomorrow, partly sunny, increasing clouds late in the day, very windy again, 50 to 55. And on Sunday, during the day, chilly, chance of some morning showers, considerable clouds, 44 to 47 degrees. And if you're heading out trick-or-treating late in the afternoon with the kiddos, it's going to be eerie out there. Mostly cloudy, but precip-free, 42 to 45. Mainly dry, but a coolish upcoming week heading our way next week.